friends, welcome to Sassy Vlogs. నేను శ్రీకృష్ణ. ఈరోజు మనం దుబాయ్ సఫారీ పార్క్లో ఏషియన్ విలేజ్లో ఒక బర్డ్ షో చూద్దాం. మాది రోజుకి ఒకటే ఉంటుంది. ఇప్పుడు చూసేద్దాం.
Together with Trainer Paul.
And on this side, I have Oscar, together with our trainer Vincent.
All right. Now this time, yes. Well then, ready?
Set.
Go!
Let's give Oscar some encouragement. Come on. Oscar. That's more. Louder. Oscar. Okay. Come on, everyone. Oscar. Come on. That's still last one. Oscar. Let's just wait for Michael. Come, Michael. Hey there. Good afternoon, Megan. Well, she's our Asian small dog otter. They are now on the list of animals with the highest level of protection from the wildlife trade.
That's right. Well, they were taken as pups for use as pets and attractions, mainly because these otters, they are the smallest species of otters. In fact, they are being used as domestic pets for otter captors.
But otters cannot stay on land alone. That is because they are
I would like to bring out another feather friend. Now, ladies and gentlemen, look over there. This is our rhinoceros hornbill coming all the way from Malaysia. In the rainforest of Asia. But they're now facing a lot of challenges in the wild, and they're now classified as near threatened. Well, along with a global issue of deforestation resulting in habitat loss, these birds are being hunted as food and ornaments using their casque and feathers. But while the bird is not yet considered, it's sad to think that they have been decreasing in number.
So, ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together for our Papua hornbills.
Okay, now. Well, the shiny trash cans on the streets or even in your backyard are an easy target for the foods. They have learned that the food doesn't have to move around, like frogs or rodents. They just have to sit still and wait for the rubbish.
That is right. But people don't like rubbish to be messy. So what happens then? Even worse, they poison them. Well, the raccoons find food inside the trash bin, well, their main diet are rodents. So imagine, if there are no raccoons, there will be more rodents.
Now, before they eat it, that's why some people also call them the washing bears. Well then, guys, everybody, let's hear it for our crew. Come on. Now, hey, everybody, let's all up on stage. Alec. Okay, now, vultures are scavengers, and that means that they feed on dead and decaying animals. So, if they fed on a poison that means they will die out.
Oh, and we do not want that to happen because we need vultures. They are very important in maintaining a healthy ecosystem. They are keystone species because they help cleaning up the environment by scavenging on the dead animal carcasses lying on the ground. So once again, let's give Malikawa Ribbon Vulture a big round of applause.
Let's go, guys. Good afternoon, before the game. Are you landing? Now, presuming that they're the world's heaviest flying birds, you might think that maybe they're not affected. But no, that's totally wrong. In fact, overfishing and water pollution are also big threats in wildlife. And great white pelicans, they're just one of the many victims.
That's true. And these giant birds, they are opportunistic feeders. So that means that their diet don't stick to only one thing. So when their natural two birds that is flying around us. The green one is our military macaw. The red one is the scarlet macaw. And the blue beautiful bird is our blue and gold macaw. So right now, let's enjoy our great flyers. Climbing mountains. They use their sharp claws to climb trees to defend themselves, and their long tail to keep them balanced so they won't fall off the tree.
That's right. Well, they are omnivores and they eat all kinds of fruits. Right now I'm feeding them banana, but they also eat small insects and small mammals. Their favorite food is nuts. Now I don't know a people in this snout that they can rotate it up to 60 degrees to help them find food that is on the ground. And just like their raccoon relatives, well, these animals, they're very creative and resourceful. Right, Marley? Alright, everybody, put your hands together for our applause for the piece. Together with trainers Mac and adopting a dog right now, but here in UAE, there's a lot of dogs.
Thank you so much, big boy. Okay, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.
What is this?
Bye, go dear mommy. Bye. Alright. Oh, I think our animal friends would like to give us a message. And it says here, please save the wildlife, save our future.
Wow, that's a nice message. Save wildlife, save future. What are you going to do with that? Huh? Show them. Should we set it up? Alright, and take it there. We're going to take a rubbish now.
It's okay.
Let's see. Wow.
Let's call on Mary so he can demonstrate to us one more time. Okay, Mary? Hey, big boy. What are you going to do with that towel? Well, he picks it up and takes it to the nearest trash bin, of course. Great job. Those trainers, Jay and myself, we would like to thank you all so much for joining us here today.
Alright, so we do hope you enjoyed the show. We hope that you guys are having a great day. Only here at the Dubai Safari. Goodbye, everyone.